Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is my 1971 Toyota Celica with the 18RG-U engine. A lot of you guys like this car, and I'm sorry that I haven't been posting much on it recently. For the past year, I've been trying to dial in these carbs, and I just haven't ever got it to run quite right. And I've messed with the air mixture screws. I've made sure that the carbs are synced together using this airflow meter, messed with the timing, and it's just not quite right. And the other day I was kind of analyzing the carbs, and if you look right down here, you can actually see a gap in between the carburetor and the intake manifold, and that is the incorrect spacer for these Weber 45s. You can actually see that the choke back here is hitting the intake. So whoever put these on didn't get the right spacers, and thus you couldn't tighten these bolts all the way down because the choke is actually running into the intake. So today what I'm going to do is pull off these carbs. I got the correct spacers for the 18RG, and it takes a specific spacer. These are the Weber spacers, and they're a little bit too thin. So I think with a gasket and the correct spacer, we'll be able to really get these mounted on good, and hopefully that will solve our problems. I think it'll be a lot easier to tune, and hopefully we'll get this thing running good for summer. Check it out. So with the new spacer, there is plenty of clearance to get that tight, and the choke's not gonna run into the back. So that's gonna fix our problem. Here's what the Weber spacers look like, and as you can see, it's a huge difference in thickness. So you got to make sure that you get these specific spacers. And so yeah, I'm gonna cut out some of my own gaskets, get that on either side, and get these put back on, and we'll try to fire this thing up and see how it sounds. Just got done cutting out my gaskets. They don't make these, so I just went ahead and bought some gasket paper and cut these out. So now we're looking pretty good. We got gasket, spacer, gasket. I'm gonna hit these with a little copper spray gasket just to make sure they're sealed up good, and then we'll get these carbs back on and fire this thing up.